If you are getting a P0325 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P0325. It means that there is a malfunction within the knock sensor 1 in circuit bank 1. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the knock sensor. The knock sensor is located on the engine block, cylinder head, or intake manifold. First, carefully remove the knock sensor from the engine. Use a multimeter to proceed with a resistance test on the knock sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific knock sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you don't get a reading, this indicates that the knock sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. So here is one of the most practical solutions to fix the P0325 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.